Hiya, this is Saoirse coming to you from Merlin's headquarters in Tintagel Castle in Cornwall. So came here to see Merlin. He's made it a bit difficult because of the illusion that the landing there by the cave has been damaged by a storm. So we're not sure if we're going to be able to go in there and see him, but maybe we'll see some appearances of him around here. This wall is part of the Tintagel Castle, and it is built in 1200s by Richard after the conquest. And it's overlooking the ocean here. And we're right at the edge here. You can see this is the bridge that crosses over to the island. On the island, there's some Iron Age ruins and Dark Ages ruins. And the reason that it's called the Dark Ages is because they had too many nights and not enough days. D-A-I-S, right? Anyway, okay, that one's new extra charge there, but anyway, so yeah, and if you come over here, you look this way, you can see the coastal walk over there, and you can see the ruins of the castle over here. It looks like a bus has arrived, so we got more tourists coming along, but that gives you the scale to what's remaining of the ruins. So, and if you walk over here, you can see the overlooking the ocean this way. So this way is looking west, and this way over across the bridge is looking north. So you can see that the sky bridge, if you have any fear of heights or acrophobia, it can be challenging. But anyway, and we have a rather big group here today. We arrived on our own. We came from Plymouth, so for a day trip. And so when we got here, there wasn't hardly anyone here. But of course, as soon as you start a video, then everyone shows up. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and go over to the island and then up to the top and do another quick video from up there so you can see it. So, Sinead Falls, fun. Hello, well, as promised, up here at the top of Tintagel Island and Tintagel Castle. I'm actually near the chapel ruins here, and as promised, you get a panoramic view from up here. So you can see all the way across the ocean there. You're looking over to Wales that way, because that way is north. And then you can look down here and you see the cave. So that's one of Merlin's caves. It's not the Merlin's cave because they have that off limits right now. And then that's the gate, kind of the barbican where you come in, and the sky bridge across there. So you can see the sheer cliff over to the other side. I'm not sure if you can go up on that area. I haven't seen anyone up at the top of the citadel there. But anyway, so here we are. It's a nice view. You kind of look around. Yeah, and there's a lot of magical places. As you can see, it's really hot today. So they kind of have record temperatures. I'm kind of not used to it, even though we're right by the ocean. There's still quite a bit of heat, and the breeze is pretty light. So, it's really not much as far as to cool you off, you know. So hopefully I'll be able to cool off. I see a little bit there. That's like a little romantic getaway there. They have a love story that you go around and you see the rocks inside of it, and they have tell a love story with Tristan. So that's a good one. Anyway, I'm not going to do a very long video from up here. Obviously I'm too hot and I still have a way to go back down. But it's really magical. Tintagel Castle is actually part of, is run by English Heritage. So we're social heritage there. And so because of that, there's usually a fee or a donation to get in. So I'll be aware of that. And there's a lot of walking, a lot of stairs and flagstones to walk on. So if you're afraid of heights or you can't handle a lot of stairs or walking, then I would recommend that you just look at the pictures. Also, because see, look at this. So we're coming down here, and then we got to go down that way to get back over there to the sky bridge to go back across. So, yeah, so you can see. It's probably better for you to see it this way. Yeah. It reminds me a lot of Skellig Hall in Ireland, off the coast of Kerry, or it kind of reminds me of, let's see, there was someplace else that reminded me of. Anyway, that was the main one, Skellig Hall, because of all the stairs and the steps and such, and all the slate. So I'll just imagine it being really slippery or something. So there's a lot of slate here in Cornwall, and so of course they're making, even the ancient stuff is made that way. So here we go. Now you can see how far. If you go down that way, that's the old way before they built the sky bridge. So you'd go all the way down, and then you go all the way up, and then if you used to be able to go down to the right there and go over to Merlin's cave, but he's got an illusion now that it's blocked off because of some storm. And here we are at the top of the curtain wall, and you can see another cave over there on the other side. So anyway, that's it from Tintagel in Cornwall, Carnock, one of the 7 Celtic nations. Sinead Fall, Sananis.